Oh my god.
Oh,
Come on, get him, get him, James, get him.
should I recast this one, Jace? Maybe a hair rig is. Wait, was this a hair rig?
No.
Yeah, go ahead and, because it could be swimming towards us. Damn. I'll start it up again when. Nope, you still on. Must be a catfish. He's not really doing much. Yep. Nice.
Nice.
Alright. See this guy?
I'm losing my grip. Ow!
Did you get barbed?
No, not really, but kinda.
9.3. 9.3, almost a pound. He's good. Where? Oh, yeah. Anything? Nope. Not that I don't think so. I think I waited too long, probably. Wait, actually, maybe it's a bluegill? Nope. Okay, waited too long. Damn. Get it, get it, get it.
Oh my god. No. It's gonna take me over.
That's a carp for sure.
Oh no.
Good. Sorry, iron man.
He's getting those wheezes. Not good. It's gonna come off.
Oh, he's big. Oh my god. He's tired. He's tired. What? Oh. Where is he? He's off, but he's right there.
He's still on, he's still on.
Really? He's still on.
Wait. I think.
Dude, I mean, it's so hard to get when these weeds are right here. Oh yeah, there he is. Oh my god.
No.
No.
He's still on him. I feel him.
He is?
Yeah, it's just him.
Dude, he's so
Oh wait, I think he's off now.
Really? Damn it. Oh. Yes! Oh my god.
God.
Big, dude.
That is a monster.
Oh my god.
He was on that whole time. That's a good hook. Bait's off. Look at that. I put it right there. I had to put it down. mouth is stuck in there.
Like everything's stuck.
Oh yeah.
Look at that fish.
5
Dang.
pounds.
Wow.
Biggest one we caught in the channel yet. So, what the bait looks like. I got it. Yeah. Yeah. Got a good look.
Hey.
Oh. Sorry.
Should I take it off?
Take a
Look,
look.
it's like.
Yeah, it'll dry quickly.
No, mine's way worse than
mine.
yours, dude.
No, it's not. Make sure he's all dirty so it makes him weigh more.
Oh, your wallet fell out.
Mine?
Somebody's.
But yes, mine.
Don't
Shit.
keep holding it.
You put it in the bag if you want.
In your mouth, bum. There you go.
That's been the money spot today.
That's a good one.
A little
91.
less than a pound. That's not bad. Oh, don't want to get barbed.
Not. Oh.
Sorry, dude.
Dang.
Fuck. Oh my god, it's at the spot again. Oh my god. Yep. Alright. Are you kidding me? Oh no. That's a pretty big one.
Yeah, it is. Nice.
Oh my god. My thing's stuck. Well, if he does that, he'll be a pound. Oh, not quite a pound. You can screenshot video.
Their spots are kind of funny on him.
Yeah.
I don't even care if I look like a fucking idiot with it on. Cause like, oh yeah.
Damn.
Game off. Oh no, we didn't. It always seems like he does, but I think he's just swimming close. Catfish, wow, I thought it was carp.
Another catfish.
Nice.
He's not even that big, he's fighting a little bit though.
I'm gonna throw this one over here now while you guys are.
Is it your turn then, Jace, or whose turn is that?
Jace's turn.
Oh, shit.
That's the second one you dropped.
Second drop of the day.
Got another bite, so let's go.
It's a little bite.
Could still be a catfish.
Yeah. First, did it?
I'd wait a bit.
Yeah, I'm gonna finish this.
Yeah, go take it.
No, I don't feel anything. I think it's a bluegill if anything. Oh, nothing. Dang. I got him. Ooh. I think it's a carp.
Really? Oh my god.
Wait, actually, I don't know. Oh yeah, it is.
You have him. It's either a big catfish or a carp.
yeah,
Oh,
that's
that's
a
a
carp.
carp.
Oh my god, look at that.
That was on video too.
Uh-oh. He's fighting.
If you need me to like loosen your drag or something, I will. Just let me know. Oh yeah, finally on a different hole we get one.
Yeah.
This one's a good. Oh, he's
Ooh.
good, dude. He's good.
No, he's not doing it.
I know.
Oh. You probably could have gotten away with it, but I don't know.
You might have to step in the water, so.
Wait, no, you're good. Don't do it yet. Come over here. Nice!
He's big, dude.
Dude, Jace, you got 2 big carp today?
Oh my gosh.
Damn.
Peyton.
Worst case, just you go for it.
Oh my god, this guy's actually big.
Oh my god, it
I
is.
actually was holding the net, so.
Okay, fine. Oh.
This little fin gets stuck every time.
Anything? Did it take the bait off too?
Yeah.
Probably could have reeled sooner, but it's okay.
Yeah. How much was it?
Didn't get him yet because the net's stuck on him.
I'm gonna recast it really quick.
Jesus, I cannot get this off. It's like barbed. We gotta get him back in the water. Such a pain in my ass, dude.
Oh my gosh. Caden. Dude! It's off now, probably. Oh my. Set that one down, Caden. Set it down. Oh, the hook came off. He broke it off. Yeah. What the heck? What is that? Ew. What the heck is that?
About
No.
4.2.
Oh no.
Good view.
That looks big.
Damn. Keep it steady.
Put him right in front of her. He's going. He's healthy.
Caden.
I don't even know where the camera is on this. So. Oh, just take it. It's fine. Literally not.
Watch it go. Grab it. Oh my god.
I got it.
Grab him, Caden.
Oh, I think I do. Get a phone or something.
Oh my gosh.
I got lost.
I can't do it. I got to step in.
Damn, another fuck.
If I was for sure, I would.
What?
I hope he's right. Maybe he's come back to us.
Say
Like,
hi.
he knows we fed him.
Yeah. Saying thank you.
Perfect, dude. I went short, so you went
Yeah. Must be a catfish. I don't know. Actually, it could be a carp.
Is it a carp?
I doubt it.
You think? Oh my gosh, that has a bite.
Just don't worry about it right now, because it's probably a carp. I
Oh,
don't
no,
know.
that has a bite.
If it goes crazy, then get it, but otherwise... Oh my god, dude, this has to be a carp. He's actually fighting. Oh my god, it's definitely a carp.
Nice.
Nice, dude. Second ever carp.
Oh, fuck. I thought I was gonna hold on to his tail, dude. Oh.
You gotta bite it, but it was tiny.
Just want carp, man. That's all I want.
What do you want?
Just want carp. That's all I want.
What?
Just I want carp.
Carp? He wants a carp.
Bluegill? Want a bluegill?
I already got like 100 of those. I got enough.
Wants a carp. Bite. That's a bluegill for sure.
Oh. It's recording.
I don't know.
Let's just take it because it's been doing that the whole time.
Is there enough bait for one more?
There's
try?
enough bait. Probably we could do a couple more. Get that net, Jace. You got him on there?
Yeah.
Keep going.
I'll take up more. See on?
Keep going. He's on good. This might be a carp. He took that thing. I bet we'll have it on that camera too.
Oh, I think this is a carp.
Put rods down over here.
And make sure he doesn't go over there. Hold it low, Caden. Well, don't get it stuck on that. Keep going. Keep running. Just keep running.
Pull it over here.
It's alright. You're good. You're good.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Come on, get him, get him, get him.
Oh, it's alright. It's alright. He's hooked good because I want to see where he came out of.
I'm not.
Give.
Yes!
Yeah!
Nice!
Go! Let's go!
That's a monster.
Let's go!
That's a
That's
monster.
Oh.
Let's go!
That is a monster.
Oh yeah. I wanted a carp so bad too.
That is. God.
Let's go.
Edited it
Oh
out.
my gosh. Wait, he got unhooked.
Dude, that's huge, dude.
He got unhooked.
Good.
Damn, dude.
Just make sure it doesn't hook in his eye or something.
Hold on.
Let's
awesome.
go, dude.
Nice.
We all got a carp.
Right, drop the pole,
go like
Jace.
that, yeah.
Okay.
Oh no.
Oh.
I thought we'd not get us another.
I know, we were talking about it, how like, oh, we got a good video anyway.
Arrow go in the sun.
Damn, dude, that guy looks big. Yeah, go here. Wow, dude. What a good fish.
A little dirty.
Oh my god.
Can't really see it. 5'11".
Now zoom out so you
Yeah, get the whole fish.
Yeah, get the whole thing.
5'11". He's slippery right now.
Biggest one of the day.